Our Sri Lankan journey is coming to an end, but not before one of the most scenic train rides in Sri Lanka, also a cozy homestay and some local hidden gems in Negombo.
Hi guys, welcome to new vlog from Sri Lanka.
So it's our eighth day here in Sri Lanka. We are here in Galle, and we are going to Negombo. So we're going to Colombo, and then from there we'll be staying in Negombo and exploring Negombo. So come along, we'll be taking a very famous coastal line railway ride today from Galle to Colombo Fort. So we'll show you guys the view. Enjoy the vlog. Hi guys, we are sitting inside the train from Galle to Colombo Fort. This train ride was extremely scenic. At some stretches, the tracks run so close to the beach that you can literally see waves crashing right next to the train. It was magical, though it was raining a bit along the way. It was a nice experience. And finally, we reached Colombo Fort Station. From Colombo, we hopped on a bus and reached Negombo, where we stayed at Krishna Villa, a cozy homestay run by a warm Sri Lankan couple. Here is a quick property and room tour for you guys. They welcomed us with refreshing mango juice that felt like home. Since it was already lunchtime, we headed to Sasha, a local style food court where we finally tried an authentic Sri Lankan buffet. So many flavors, such a different experience. Hi guys, so we are here in Negombo and we just came to see the Negombo Dutch Fort, which is nothing but two pillars. That's it, nothing is there. We showed you. Next, we explored the Negombo Fort, but to our surprise, it was converted into a prison, so nothing much to see there. We just walked around this area near the Negombo Lagoon area. It was an okay experience. It was raining, so we did not have much fun. Instead, we made our way to St. Mary's Church. But it was pouring heavily, but we still managed to capture some moments and take a quiet moment to pray. We have come to St. Mary's Church, but it is raining very heavily. Later, we visited Negombo Beach. The rain had slowed down, but the winds were wild. Still, the views were worth it. And then we headed for dinner. For dinner, we found this cozy cafe called Boho Café. The food and drinks were delicious, and it was a perfect way to end our long day. Hi guys, good morning from Negombo. It's our last day, the day 9 here in Sri Lanka, and we are heading to breakfast. Our day 9 began with a quick visit to St. Sebastian Church. We could not really go inside, but it's a gothic design and it was beautiful. Then came one of the best part, enjoying a traditional Sri Lankan breakfast, fresh, simple and packed with flavors. We would highly recommend this place if you are in Negombo. You should try the breakfast here. It is delicious. Before heading to the airport, we did a bit of last minute shopping at a local mart, grabbing some snacks and souvenirs to take back home. And then, just like that, our Sri Lanka trip has come to an end. Thank you, Uncle. Yeah. 9 days of beaches, trains, cities, and so many adventures. That's a wrap to our Sri Lanka travel series. From Gauls' coastal beauty to Negombo's charm, this country gave us incredible experiences we'll never forget. Going back home from Colombo to Chennai, then back. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel, Maria Ajit. Thank you. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.